Hello, friends. Friends, how is the day today? Don't be slave to the habits. Don't do something every day at a specific time. It will become your master. You'll become the slave. You have to have a choice. Sometimes just break the habit and laugh a little. Okay? Because seriousness is not divinity. I came across a very good article about it, which I always feel. I always feel that it's not necessary for you to be serious to lead life. You should be able to lead life playfully also. Because it's the playfulness that is celebration. You do things, okay, but playfully. बांसुरी बजाते हुए, गीत गाते हुए, ध्यान में। बांसुरी बजाने का मतलब कि आप ध्यान में अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, राइट। गीत गाते हुए मतलब कि आप गीत के माध्यम से अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आप एक्सप्रेस जो चाहें करें, लेकिन जब हम डिविनिटी को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, वी नीड नॉट हैव लॉन्ग फेसेस. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई हैव सेड umpteen times, and I came across a very good article from my old friend, Times of India article, Speaking Tree. So what does this article say? It says laughter, the forgotten doorway to divinity. Laughter is a forgotten doorway to divinity. Let's read what does it say. It says spirituality has been made unnecessarily serious. Priests, monks and moralists have turned it into a grave business, as if truth can only be reached with a long face. But existence is not serious. Existence is playful. Look at the trees, rivers and birds. Nothing is tense. Nothing is trying to be holy. Yet everything is perfectly in tune with life. A truly spiritual person cannot be heavy. He must be light. He must have a deep sense of humor about himself and about existence. Right? So, a little bit of laughter every day, although yoga is not only different kinds. There is one kind of yoga which is called laughter yoga, wherein people, when I was in America, I saw it pretty often that there were laughter yoga groups people had created, and in the evening they used to laugh together consciously. So if it's conscious breathing, it's conscious reading, it's conscious listening, it's conscious eating, why not have conscious laughter also, right? And what does the article say at the end of it? I won't be able to read the whole out of it, but I will say how does it conclude at the end. She says, perhaps that is why enlightened people appear so simple, so playful, so childlike. Their spirituality is not heavy with discipline, it is light with awareness. So laugh deeply, dance freely, then sit silently, right? And then you may discover that the shortest path to meditation is not seriousness. You may discover that the shortest path to meditation is not seriousness. It is a celebration, and yet perhaps mystics would say that when you learn to laugh at yourself, you realize that every day feels like a new day, right? So you break the habits, feel afresh, feel new, and remember अभी ज़िंदगी में तराने बहुत हैं, अभी जीने के बहाने बहुत हैं, दरे गैर पर भीख मांगो न फन की, अपने ही घर में खजाने बहुत हैं. तो आपके पास ऐसा खजाना, ऐसी दौलत, ऐसी आपके अंदर वो मृग के अंदर जो होती है, वो आपको दी गई है सुगंध, that fragrance, that you can make use of it. You've already been embedded with wealth, and needless to say, we live mindful life of whatever assets we have within this and whatever inventory we have, and what do we want more, and where do we need to pay focus, and where do we need to focus attention to. Therefore we have mindful living, but not without laughter. Okay, And also that I would request all those people who are here with me, working with me, they were working with me on a project of helping me to wind up from here, from this house, and to transfer to the other. I would seek their cooperation, and I'll request them to kindly help me finalizing the things with, whatever is pending, right? So, but yet I do it laughingly, I do it lightly, but I do pay attention to what is my duty, what is my dharma, and we carry on with our dharma's everyday journey after nourishing us properly. तो चलिए, कहते हैं मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और काफिला चलता गया. कोई बात नहीं, अकेले शुरू करिए, अपने आप काफिला बन जाता है. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, कहते हैं काल का पहिया घूमे भैया, लाख तरह इंसान चले, लेके कभी बारात और कभी बिना बारात चले. बिना बारात के जब आप चलेंगे तो भी आपको इतनी सारी दौलत जो दी गई है इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट के अंदर, उसका उपयोग तो करेंगे. और सबके साथ मिलके, सबके साथ हाथों में हाथ आगे बढ़ेंगे, एक दूसरे के पूरक बनेंगे और आगे चलिए. Laugh a little, right? And proceed. Bye-bye.